anchoring in reality. Sit in a comfortable position. Allow yourself to arrive. Let your body settle. Allow your breath to slow naturally. Gently close your eyes. You can have it open, slightly gazing into the horizon. Take a few breaths to pause. Bring attention to your breath. Inhale slowly. Exhale softly. Let the breath become steady and quiet. Now begin to orient yourself silently or softly repeat, "My name is." I'm here in this moment. I am safe. Feel each statement land. They're not just words, but acknowledgement. Now expand. Notice the space around you, the ground beneath you, the air touching your skin. You are here. In any given moment that you feel drifting, you can always focus on your breath and return. Or you can return back by always whispering when your mind's eye the mantra, "I am here." Allow to yourself to be okay with the simplicity of the statement. Let it become steady. Now take a deeper breath in and release it slowly until you open your eyes and wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a few seconds to remain grounded before you continue with the day.